Hi, we're the girls from Cuckoo's Cuisina. I'm Joanne.
I'm Kelly.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're wrapping up our week, our Pita-bilities week. And today we're going to make ourselves a bean salad pita. So I think that's going to be kind of fun and interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting way to, kind of hold your pita together too. So we do have we warmed up our pita. And so we're going to leave that right there. And Jackie is going to make the dressing for this bean salad. And what are you doing?
So I have olive oil and fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm just going to whisk it up. And then here I have some oregano, garlic powder, and Aleppo pepper that I'm going to add.
Okay. And while she's doing that, we're going to start with some fresh arugula. And we're going to add some cannellini beans.
So these are canned, so they're already softened. What you want to do is rinse them and drain them really, really well so they're not watery.
Okay, and to that we're going to add our plum tomatoes. And then we have our red bell peppers.
So you want to mix that up until it's really combined well, because the dressing is going to go on there. It soaks up into all the elements in your salad.
Okay.
And then we have some toppings that are going to go over that.
All right. Whenever you're ready, Jackie, I'm ready. Oh, it smells good.
It should smell
Yeah, you
good.
got
There's
the
a lot
smell.
of really good stuff in there.
Yeah.
Let's get
Lemon
these out of
juice.
your way.
The oregano.
Get our pita over here. Okay, so let's bring this up here.
And I'm going to put our bean salad all over our pita. And you don't want to put too much because you won't be able to pick it up. Okay, that looks like it's about enough. Okay, now we're going to put some toppings.
And you want to like decoratively layer your cucumber. Make it look really, really pretty. And a couple more. There we go. Maybe one more there. Okay, and then you want to do the feta?
We're going to do some crumpled feta. There's all different kinds of feta that you can buy. Just put the one that you like the most.
We always use a Greek feta because it has lots of flavor. Avoid the domestic feta because it basically has no flavor. Okay. And then we'll do some olives over that, some kalamata olives. Give it some pretty color. We have one that's trying to escape here.
That's okay. You're not really cooking if
They're
you're
all
not
trying-
making a mess.
They're all trying to get away.
I don't know how we're going to eat this.
We're gonna like carve that up and enjoy it.
There we go. And there we have it. Our bean salad pita.
Kaliorexi.
Kaliorexi.